In this video, I'm going to show you how to categorize credit card payments in QuickBooks Online. Now, the first thing you have to do if you want to categorize individual card purchases, you want to go to transactions. So you want to go to accounting, and then from here, you want to go to bank transactions, the first thing up top. And then from here, you want to select, or of course, click on the tab for your credit card account. So for this example, I'm going to use this example over here, which is the MasterCard. So I'd have to click on this one over here. And then as you can see down here, you can see your transactions, and to actually categorize them, to categorize these credit card payments, you have to go over here where it says match/categorize, and you want to click on that, and then from here you essentially want to match this and categorize it. So for example, if I go and click on telephone over here, as you can see, it's gonna go and categorize it like this. Okay, now of course you could also record the credit card payment if you want to. You can go to the new button or create button top left, and then under other it says pay down credit card, so you can click it over here, and then whenever you do that, you can select the card you paid off. For example, I'm going to use this Visa over here, and then you have the payee, which is optional, and then you can of course select the amount, so how much you paid. I'm going to do 100, then the date over here, and then of course here you can select the bank account as well. I'm just going to go checking, and here you can also add memo attachments if you want to. Click on save and close, and you're good to go. So that way you can essentially categorize credit card payments, and I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.